In this video, I will be showing you guys the only way to skip the Geforce Now queue. With the recent patch of the old method to skip the Geforce Now queues, the only way now is to change around servers to see which has the lowest queue. So, if I head into Geforce Now and click play on the game I want to play, as you can see, I have 387 people in front of me, which will obviously take a lot of time. So, I'm going to exit out of here. And then I'm going to go to menu, settings, and then go to server location right over here. If you guys want to know which server is the best for low queues, there should be a video that pops up in the top right, which I highly recommend everybody watches. So, I'm going to click on one of the servers that I mentioned in that video, which was US East. I'm going to go back to menu, games, and then click on the game. You may get a pop-up like this saying that streaming is not recommended over your network, or you may experience stutter or high latency. And this is the downside of this method. You will lag much more compared to the other method of making accounts, but I'd rather save an hour waiting for the queue than running the game smoothly. So as you can see, I have 100 people less compared to the original amount. This is also factoring in that I am playing on a peak hour. So what you can also do now is quit game and then experiment with other servers as well. So it's just a back and forth process of just experimenting with servers. So now I can just change it to another server. And as you can see, this server has 615. So I'm just going to go back and then keep trying other servers and just repeat this process. Anyways, I hope this video did help. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. I will be making a new video on how to skip the queue once a new method is found. So make sure you guys do hit that notification bell. Don't forget to watch the which servers are best for low queues video as well, as that video will help you find the best server to select. Thanks for watching.